afternoon. Is it afternoon or night? I wonder. Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Tem. Or for short, Dr. Tem. I'm funny and smart. It's Dr. Tem, it's Dr. Tem. What song is that? I think I haven't heard that song. Today, our topic is cough. I think I have used that style before. Oh yeah, I remember. It's like flu. Now I'm like cough. Okay, that's right. Again, cough is a very bad thing that we occur, like 90% in our life. Exaggeration.
Yeah,
Can you hear me? I said exaggeration. So, cough almost happens 90% in our daily life. And it is one of the great disasters that occurs to us. It can make you not eating things like this. Now you have heard, saw, that's just a slight mistake. Please forgive me. Oh, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Subscribe, leave a comment, and write and type, I forgive you. Please, or I'll cry. Okay, that was just joking. So, you have seen what you cannot eat when you're coughing. When you cannot eat or drink when you're coughing, right? So never cough. And cough to people. Like, your breath is smelly. What have you eat? Have you eat cheese? Cheese? That's delicious. Dumbass.
Molly, yeah.
Hey, I'm recording here, little brother. I'm sorry, audience.
Mom, I did. Mom, I did.
Oh, like that, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, my little brother is genius. That's why his name is Mr. Genius. Funny, right? Wait, that's not funny.
Yeah.
See, genius. Wait, that's not funny either. So, okay, let's continue. So, I forgot what I would say. So, for now, it's goodbye to Dr. Tem, or for short, Dr. Tem. And please subscribe and leave a comment. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Sorry for the effects that occur in this video. And my little brother is truly a genius. Seriously. Me too. See, even he is speaking right now, opening my door. And he's also handsome and charming. Ha ha ha. Ooh la la.